Hello, and welcome to this video about making money online in 2023. The internet is a vast and ever-growing platform, and with the right skills and mindset, you can turn it into a source of income. Whether you're looking for a full-time job, a side hustle, or just some extra cash, this video will show you some of the best ways to make money online.
Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to make money online is by offering your skills as a freelancer. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer your services to clients all over the world. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or web developer, you can find work in your area of expertise.
Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote a company's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. There are many companies with affiliate programs, including Amazon, Commission Junction, and Rakuten. All you need to do is sign up, choose a product to promote, and start sharing it with your audience.
E-commerce. If you're passionate about a particular product or industry, you can turn your knowledge into an e-commerce business. Websites like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up an online store and start selling products. You can also sell products through marketplaces like Amazon or eBay.
Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create and sell online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create and sell courses, and you can reach a large audience of people looking to learn.
YouTube. YouTube is one of the largest video sharing platforms in the world. And with a large following, you can earn money through advertising, sponsored content, and merchandise sales. All you need to do is create engaging and valuable content and build a loyal audience.
Making money online requires hard work, dedication, and creativity. But with the right skills and mindset, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're looking for a full-time job, a side hustle, or just some extra cash, there are plenty of opportunities to make money online in 2023. Good luck!
Thanks for watching.